This is a Jacob card. It's a Jacob 40. It's initialized already, so I'm just sticking it in there. Came initiated from the vendor. There's a link on my site, or you can just get them off Amazon from that particular vendor. So I'm going to open up. We can open this and take a look at the card. We'll grab a different. For shits and giggles, I'm going to leave this stuff on there. I'm going to put in another card and erase it with Jacob so you can see that process. Just erase this card. I think I did that backwards. Let's start over. Okay, now we're going to hard peak. EMV. Still says it's a Nigerian card, but all the other crap's gone. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to put my brand new card in there. Alright, let's open this up. EMV. So we're going to get our information out of the dump. Already got this ready. The ID for Visa is 31010. For MasterCard, it's 41010. There's a list in X2 software that tells you all the codes. It's got all the country codes too. For USA, it's 0840. Your country's going to be different. The PIN, I don't remember what it was. 8685. We're going to put my name in there. Visa debit, all capitals. MasterCard is sensitive, case sensitive, and it would be debit MasterCard. Track 1 I don't like. Visas you don't need it, so we're going to put a space to delete it. We're using OmniKey. You want to change this expiration date because that's obviously not it. Ours is right here. It's 21010, which is October. And there's 31 days in October, so you add 31. If it's a different month, you do it accordingly. We don't do anything here. We're going to go to IST generate. I'm going to take this card out, put in a legitimate bank card. Not every card works. This one works well. Here, I'll show you. Got a stack of bank cards. It's just trial and error, people. So I'm going to move this over. Actually, I'm loading my own card, so I don't want you to see the information. But I'm hitting read card and it's populated the information. So I'm going to go to save. I'm going to reuse this file. You can type a new one in there if you like. And then you want to load it back up. And then I'm going down here to generate IST. I'm going to save it as an IST file. So it's going to be this one. I'm going to just write on top of it. Okay, and I'm going to go to this page. I'm going to bring this back up. I'm going to go here. Load your IST file back up into this one. Take this information from the front page. I don't know why it doesn't populate it automatically. I know from experience that this is short 5 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time we're going to generate it. Do that over. First I need to copy my pan. This is the crypto calculator I'm using. You go to EMV application cryptograms 4.2. Because I copied it, it's already here. So it already knows what's going on. Session key, boom. ARQC, boom. Oh, you're not seeing that. Click. Whoa. Whoa, Nelly. Whoa. I'm clicking this little guy down here to generate all this stuff in case you didn't see that. This is the number that we need. Don't close this window while you have this copy because you'll lose that information. Paste the wells. Okay, now I'm gonna go move this back down for you. I'm gonna go back to the front page. I'm gonna remove these 5 zeros that I added on there, just to show you why. This is now where you're gonna credit or debit. I'm using debit, so I'm gonna hit debit, and it's telling me field 2, which is the second half of the pan, is short by 5 numbers. So that's why I put that in there. In the beginning, you can hit this IST generate button. You first put it in there so that you know if you're short or not. Before you generate the IST, you're supposed to have those correct numbers in there. Okay, now I want to burn. I hit debit, but I didn't switch the card out, so it didn't really do anything. So put this back in there. Now we're going to burn debit. Can you see this thing? Okay, now we're going to go back to here and burn it. If you're doing MasterCard, you have to have a track 1. Visas usually don't have it. Let's see what it'll look like. Move this over so you can see. There's our first command, so that's a good thing. exhausted. I've been sitting for hours doing other work and fucking with this program. Been eating raw cookie dough right out of the container. Oh, there's their second command. Sorry, I'm just entertaining myself. Oh boy, look at all kinds of stuff going on here. Let's see what we got. That's Mr. EMV said extra tone don't work. Well, looks like it's doing something. There's track 2. There's the name I plugged in there. It's the pan. Here's the ATC. It's at 8. Interesting. The last online one was a big fat 0. This is 9. So when you put that in, it's going to tell the terminal that the card's been used before, just not ever used at the ATM. So, yeah. I'm not sure I know what I'm talking about on that part, but whatever. It seems to work. Okay, looks good. I did notice that every time I do this, the country code never changes. It's always this number. So I'm guessing that when the terminal gets this number, it's sending it through a different network. And because it's overseas, it may not be able to verify the ATC and should let it pass. Let's see if there's anything in here about the ATC. Why is the CDM being successful? No CDM is required. A lot of this stuff tells the terminal that if there's a lot of stuff that doesn't verify that it's okay to go around it. It's the only logical way I can think that the software actually works. Default codes and conditions of what happens in the event that those take place. It gives it tells it how to respond. Let's see anything related to the ATC or ATM.